Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have No Make No Life for August. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so August just arrived and I'm so excited. I did watch Abadabs open this on her channel and the items inside looked so much fun, and I am so glad now that I have my hands on this so I can show you guys what is in here as well. If you don't know, NoMakeNoLife is $35 a month. If you do prepay by 3, 6, or 12 months, you do get it cheaper per month. But if you just do the monthly, it's $35. It's a beauty box that is shipped free to the United States and will arrive within 2 to 4 weeks after you place your order. You get 8 to 9 full-size Korean and Japanese beauty and skincare products delivered every month from 6 different categories, being makeup, skincare, bath and body, hair care, tools and accessories, and masks, with cute, fun, and unique makeup products you can use daily or for a special occasion. So let's go ahead and get in here and see. They did have the customs package in here that I took off. So let's go ahead and get this opened. There it is. Alrighty. So NoMakeNoLife. Japanese and Korean beauty box. Here we go. It has the tissue paper. And that's what we see so far. So they do give you a nice little pamphlet that goes over everything. This does say August 2019. Ready, set, glow. That must be the theme for the month. And let's get to the first page that has some goodies here. So they do list them like 1 through as I go through. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start with number 1. Number 1, it says snail. You know how much I love snail. Snail Essential Cream. Snail secretion will provide nutrients and elasticity to your skin. And it has little rose on it. And you guys know I do not really care for the smell of rose or the scent of rose, like artificial rose. So I'll go ahead and set this aside. But there is that item. It says snail's mucus is a popular ingredient for skin care nowadays. And I hear it is very, very good for your skin. I do have a snail face mask that I'm awaiting for one of my subscribers. We're gonna put that on at the same time because she got it as well. And we're both like, when it comes to snail. So I'm just waiting for that night. And we are going to definitely try that. So that'll be my first snail experience. So that will be soon. But I hear it is extremely good for your skin. So I do want to try it out. So in addition, this cream comes in a convenient spout pouch and includes 10 different kinds of seeds to moisturize your skin. So that's awesome. So there's number 1. So the second item is right here. It says Lovely Cookie Blusher. There's that. And this says Etude House Lovely Cookie Blusher. Give some color to your face with this adorable blusher from Etude House. The smooth and creamy formula is easy to apply with the fluffy applicator. In your box comes color PK002 Grapefruit Jelly or PK004 Peach Wafer. And this is PK002. So this would be Grapefruit Jelly. Okay, so when you open it up, you have this adorable little powder puff, and then there is the color right underneath. That's the grapefruit. Without the plastic, there you go. They have the cutest packaging, you guys. So there's number 2. Number 3 is going to be Tony Moly Petite Bunny Gloss Bar. And that'll be this guy right here. And this looks like this is in 03 for the color. And on this, it shows like different color variations. So here is, this is adorable packaging. Look how cute. That is just adorable, you guys. And then let's see what the color looks like. And there is that. And this is a gloss bar, is one of Tony and Molly's most popular products of all time. Not only are they super cute, these gloss bars are also very moisturizing and comes in a cute natural sheer colors with a glossy finish. Did you notice that all bunnies have different facial expressions? Well, which one did you get? And that's the one that I got. How cute. Okay, you guys, so now number 4 on here is a Choosy Moist Lip Pack. And ooh, this is a mint chocolate. And it looks like we might have a heart shape on it. If so, that is going to be adorable. Look how cute. I can't wait to put those on my lips if I have a teal heart. You know teal is my favorite color, but look, even she's got it there, so it must look like that. That's gonna be so much fun. Yay! This says to apply it for 5 to 30 minutes for best results. Give your lips a boost with this Choosy Moist Lip Pack in mint chocolate or banana chip. After scrubbing your lips, apply the lip pack for smooth and hydrated lips. And I got the mint chocolate. Okay, so now let's go to the next page. Okay, so the next item is a whipped cream face wash. And this is the product that looked so interesting when I watched her video that I was like, I want to be able to make that. So this is what the packaging looks like. And it has this plastic container. And this says that this is the foaming tool and cleansing powder set. Bubble and foaming cleansers are the hype in Japan, and the foaming tool helps you lather your face and body wash in no time. This set comes with 2 packages of clean enzymes cleansing powder that you can use with the foaming tool. Did you use up your cleansing powder? Why don't you try the foam tool with the cleanser that also comes in your August box? So I guess you can use it with different cleansers afterwards, but this looks so neat. Let's see here. So it has this little container and it comes with this little package in here. These are directions. You pour pack it in, you fill up the water, and then you go up and down, and you go up and down on the thing. So you would take one of these little packets and stick it in here. Okay. So that will go up to this line right here. And then you fill up to the next line with water. And then you use your little whoop-de-woo to go up and down and make a creamy foam for your face. I can't wait to try this. That sounds so interesting, you guys. So that is really neat. Okay, you guys, I was thinking about it and I want to try this and show you guys. Let's see what this does. Let's just try this out real quick. Let's try this out. So there is the powder. I'm not sure if we add the water to the first or the second line because all it shows is, and the arrow's kind of in between them. So I'm just gonna add it to the top line. Let's see what happens here, you guys. And the lid just sits on top. Oh, look. It, whoop, 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 whoop. See? It keeps, dang, you can keep getting it bigger and bigger. That's what she said. Whoa, you can get a lot. Like, it's going bigger and bigger. It's starting to spew out the top, though. Whoa. Alrighty. Whoa, it is. Yeah, it's starting to kind of spill out the top. So I think we're probably good for right now. But you could probably keep on going and getting it even fluffier and bigger. Like, and it is a nice thick, like, That is like a whipped cream, you guys. That is really neat. So that is so cool. Look. Now I'm gonna go wash my face and I'm going to use this. And then apparently you can just use it with other cleansers afterwards. So let's go ahead and show you what the next, because it talked about a cleanser. Here is the Honey Skincare Face Wash. And I can't wait to try that. So this is, to achieve the natural glow, you need to take good care of your skin. An August box comes with the 4 variations, which would have been rose, moisture, honey, or sumi. So I'm really glad that I got honey and not rose. But, the sumi one is actually charcoal. It says deep moisturizing, honey, rose, or charcoal. So I'm really glad that I got the honey. And then next thing in here, you guys, we have is a multi-gloss. Okay, so we have a gloss that can go like on your eyes, on your lips. This is a 2-way lip and eye gloss. There's that. Everyone can use some extra glamour in their life. That's why we've included this eye and lip topper. Lip topper? In your box, it comes with a silver, purple, or pink. So I'm going to maybe assume purple since it has the purple writing right there, but it kind of looks pink. So I'm gonna assume this is the purple. And you can't really, it's right there. It's just a gloss with a little hint of glitter. It gave them a little iridescent little effect, so that's really cool. And you can also use it on your eyes, so it's lip and eye safe, so that is really neat. And then the last item in here is another chocolate mint. This is a face mask, so that is really neat. And this is the chocolate mint is super trendy in Japan, and not only when it comes to food, even sheet masks are in this trendy flavor. This moisturizes the skin while the mint tightens and refreshes, and on top of that, the mask smells amazing. Oh my gosh, so if it smells like chocolate mint, I'm gonna be so happy. So I'm gonna use these two together because they're the same scent or the same flavor. So that is awesome. So that is the 8 items that we got in this month's box, you guys. So again, this is only $35, and we got a lip mask, a face mask, we have the lip and eye gloss, we have this really big size honey facial cleanser, we got a grapefruit colored blush, we have this Tony Moly lip bar, we have the snail essence cream for your face, and then we have this really neat whipped cream face wash apparatus, which I can't wait to try this out. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Comment down below, let me know what was your favorite item. Do you get this box? Have you seen this box? Are you interested in this box? Let me know all of the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world. I think this is really, really fun. You don't just get Korean, it's Korean and Japanese skincare, beauty products, and all of that. And they always have like a really fun little theme kind of going on. I'm excited about the mint chocolate items. And yes, and I can't wait to try this cleanser and this guy. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Again, comment down below, let me know what you think about the box. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.